Good morning, members. I'm going to be taking you through how to use the system in the area of qualifications. So I'm going to log in. Okay. So we go to my account. I'm going to go straight to the part of qualifications. So this part of qualifications, I notice many people are receiving a challenge here. So I'm going to show you how you can easily fill it in. So there is that question, did you pass UCE? So in case you did UCE, you make sure that you click here, yes. If you didn't do it, you click no. So for the case when you click no, you will not be asked further questions in that section. But when you click yes, you receive, there are some questions you're supposed to answer. For example, this year here means which year did you finish UCE? So you come and select the year in which you finished UCE, yes, by clicking on this drop down and you select the given year. Then you go ahead and upload. You click here to upload the UCE certificate. Click here, then you click on it, then you say open. But for my case, I'd already uploaded. That's why you can see here a word in blue showing the document that I uploaded. So I can click on it to see the document which I've uploaded. It's just a matter of me clicking here and I will be able to see this is what I uploaded. So then there's this section of under UCE, there's this section where they tell you indicate the subject and grade of passes of UCE exam. So you put in your subjects here, but you make sure you just select from the drop down. For example, mathematics. Then you select the grade. For example, D1. Then you click plus to add another row. Then you go ahead and look for another subject, say physics, and you say the grade. Then you can also remove this red button is used for removing a given subject. So we can also go ahead and select another subject. In case you're not seeing it here, you can search for it. You can search for it. For example, I want religious education. You just put in a few letters here, then you click on it, and then you give the grade, and you continue. Then we have also this section. Did you pass Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education? If you didn't do it, you say no, or if you failed it, you say no. So if you passed, you click yes, and you select the year in which you finished. Then you go ahead and what? Click here to upload the document. You look for it. You can look for it in your files. For example, if you stored it on the desktop, then you click on it and you click open and it will appear here. It will appear here. But for my case, I'd already put this, so no need. Then, like we did for the other subjects, you do the same. To add a subject, you just click plus and you add it. For example, technical drawing. You can say you did technical drawing and you got an A, and as well you can also subtract a subject. Are we together? Then the next section is schools or institutions attended. So they tell you here that in case the institution is not there, you select other and you add the institution. So I'm going to give an example. So for example, if I'm adding a given institution, for this case I already have some here. So it's a matter of clicking this plus, and if I'm removing, I click this minus. So you select the year in which you started this given course. For example, I say from 2012 to 2020, I did an undergraduate qualification, a diploma. For example, I can say diploma in they already here. You make sure that you select from the list, or you can this can help you search. You can just put here the word you're searching for. First click outside, then you click here again. For example, I want a diploma in this, then I click on it. Make sure that you are selecting from the list. Don't type in here. Then remember this section has certificate. So you click here to attach a certificate. You select it, then you click open. Then you click here again to attach the transcript. So make sure that you attach on all areas, both certificate and transcript. For the case of UCE and USCE, where there is transcript, you put pass slip. I think you can see this slash pass slip. Then you put here the institution name. So for the institution name, you can just search for it. For example, I can say I want to put Makerere. I search for it, then I select from the list. If the institution is not there, I select other. Then I type it in. Are we together? So after that, this is how you do it. Then after that, you can come to key competences. Key competences, you can also search from here. You can say, I have good communication skills. You say good. Then you click outside here, and the options will come here. You click on it, and it comes this side. The ones which appear this side are the selected key competences. And you can also click on a given key competence to remove it. For example, I can click on this one and it goes away, it goes back this side. So these are the selected ones. So if you follow this procedure, you'll be able to proceed successfully. Now, let me give an example. In case I made a mistake, for example, in case you type in here instead of selecting from the list and you click next, you will not be able to proceed. You receive this error, give valid qualification. So why does it tell you give valid qualification? Because you have not selected from the ones provided by the system. Are we together? So you make sure that you select, and in case the options are not appearing, you first come back behind a bit and you'll be like you're selecting something else and you come back and select what you want, because sometimes it could be to do something to do with the network, because these drop downs are queried from the database. So now, for example, I want this one, you click on it. All the things are selected. Don't type in here or here, except for when you select other and you type in. Are we together? So you keep looking for words that are in red. They show you where the error is. So when you have corrected the error, you click next and you'll be able to proceed. Thank you so much. That is what I wanted to share with you today.